So I wanted to do a very quick slow motion version of the magic circle or magic ring so that if anybody is struggling with this, they can basically put it on repeat as they work through it. So here we go. Take the string, wrap it around your thumb. You're going to take your hook, go into this little gap here, hold it like that. Now you're going to take this tail that you're kind of holding back here, bring it along this side right there by your thumb, and take a string through. It's kind of loose right there, so what you want to do is do just a chain to kind of hold that in place. You can tighten it up quite a bit there. So if you look, this tail's still gonna stay right along here. We're gonna hold it like this, and I'm gonna put 6 single crochets into here just to hold it all together and give you a good example. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's our 6. And then you're going to pull on this tail down here to cinch it down. And then what I prefer to do is just count backwards from my hook. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that's our 6th stitch right there. And you just do a little slip stitch in there, and that is your first round on a magic circle.